Hi everyone, let's make the Gado ala Sonia. All you need to prepare 200 grams of tofu and tempeh cut into pieces lengthwise, 100 grams of long bean cut into pieces, 100 grams of bean sprouts, 250 grams of boiled potatoes cut into pieces, 1 piece of carrot cut into small pieces lengthwise, 1 cabbage clean and take only the leaf, 50 grams of ready-made peanut sauce, 100 ml of vegetable oil and water, 3 tablespoons of salty soy sauce and 2.5 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, fried onions and some crackers, 1 fresh cucumber as garnish, and 2 or 3 hard-boiled eggs. Let's cook it. First, fry some crackers. Then fry tofu and tempeh. Put the carrots into the boiling water. And the tips is enter the carrot first because of the hard texture of the carrot. Then add the other vegetables one by one, starting from long beans and bean sprouts. After it boiled, remove and drain. Finally, boil the cabbage leaf withered. Spread the cabbage leaf on a plate. Put vegetable on cabbage leaf and roll. Leave aside. After that, let's make the peanut sauce. Enter the ready-made peanut sauce in the frying pan with 1 glass of water. Flatten while stirring. Add sweet and salty soy sauce alternately while continuing to stir. After the peanut sauce is ready, now we need to prepare for the vegetable. Cut both ends of cabbage with vegetable in it. Cut them into half. Put it over the cucumbers. Add some tempeh and fried tofu. Boiled potatoes. Small pieces of boiled eggs. Crackers. And pour the peanut sauce on it. Sprinkle fried onions and the Gado ala Sonia ready to be served. Try at home and post your creation. Enjoy!